The shrinkage was real with this hairstyle. Let me show you how I got it. Beyonce sent me her whole entire collection of hair care products and I am so excited, okay? So I decided to go ahead and show you guys a gorgeous quick hair wash routine because my scalp and my hair have been through it. I have been ignoring the bananas out of my hair. I have not textlaxed my hair in over a year. I have been terrible with my hair. So I saw this as an opportunity to, restart my hair growth journey and go ahead and use all of the products we got from Sacred. Let's run through them. So there's this bottle in there that has like a funnel nose type of situation going on. Of course, there's a clarifying shampoo that comes in the collection, a hydrating shampoo, and from what I learned, you're supposed to use your clarifying shampoo first and then go in with your moisturizing shampoo. And then of course I showed you guys the leave-in conditioner. This is the hair oil, and this is a fermented rice protein treatment that comes in 2 steps that was also included in the package. There is a reconstructing treatment mask as well as a deep conditioning treatment. And of course they sent over their latest drop, which is the hair restoration drops. It's supposed to be a hair growth serum. So first I'm starting out with a hair reconstructing treatment mask. I applied some into the funnel nose bottle that came from Sacred, added some water to it, sectioned my hair, and just applied it to my hair. I like washing my hair this way because when it's dry, whatever treatment I'm putting on it, my hair is going to absorb it. I learned this from Olaplex because they have a pre-shampoo treatment that's like a protein treatment for your hair, and then you're supposed to wash it out and then proceed with your regular washing routine. So I adopt that same process in whatever product line I use. So I applied the reconstructing treatment mask all over my hair, and I covered it with a shower cap, and I set under my Hot Tools conditioning cap that you can just use with a blow dryer. It's so convenient. Okay, I love this thing. Next we're going in with a clarifying shampoo, and I really needed this because my hair has been through it. Like I said initially, my scalp has not been the same. I've been ignoring my hair, my scalp, all of that. You can see my hair is just not what it was a year ago, and I think it's also because I stopped cold turkey getting sew-ins. I don't know what I was doing, but I stopped taking care of my hair. I've just not been into taking care of my hair. I don't know what it is, but we starting again. So I went ahead and washed out my clarifying shampoo. Then I followed in with a hydrating shampoo because they do have a hydrating shampoo in the collection. Now the clarifying shampoo smells very minty and it feels like it's one of those scalp treatment shampoos. So if you're somebody who's sensitive to, tingling, pepperminty type of products, you might use some caution. The hydrating shampoo, however, smells very relaxing, very mild. And as you can see, my hair was very stiff when I was using the clarifying shampoo, but it was feeling very soft when I was using the hydrating shampoo. So that tells you something. I couldn't decide if I should do a protein treatment or the deep moisture mask, so I decided to just go in with a deep moisture mask because I initially started out the hair wash process with a reconstructing treatment, which is also a protein treatment. So I applied the deep conditioning treatment to my hair, applied it all over, added some water to make sure that it moved really well, and then I covered it with a shower cap, and once again I set under my deep conditioning heat cap that you can use with a blow dryer. Now this is where you can see that I have not textlaxed my hair in so long. My roots are so grown out, like my textlax is hanging on by a thread. Everything else is natural. Okay, the shrinkage is real with this one. I don't really want to go in and do a textlax, so I decided to just keep my hair the way it is for another year and see the growth I get out of it. So first I went in with the Color Wow Dream Coat, and then I went in with the Sacred leave-in conditioner. I forget what it's called exactly. Then I sectioned my hair, applied some heat protectants and some of their hair oil to the hair. I just did a quick detangle, added some of the Olaplex blow dry mist to it, and I just blew out my entire hair. Okay, when I applied heat to my hair after using the Sacred products, it actually made my hair feel really soft. Now, before I added heat to my hair wasn't feeling as soft as if I had used my other products, but as soon as the heat went in, my hair just kind of melted. It just felt so good after that. Now, this was the night, so I added some of their hair growth treatment drops into my scalp, and I just applied it all over my scalp, and I massaged it in, because apparently you can just use it, you know, take it, apply it to your scalp, and keep it pushing. So that's what I did. My hair is looking tired. I have had so many haircuts, it's just not working out. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I do know what I'm doing wrong. But the next day I put my hair into some very loose struggle braids, and I added some new clip-ins from Mercy Hair Extensions into my hair. This is the hair I didn't really blow dried or anything, but it's really cute. It's big, and after that I went in and blew it out and flat ironed it. I absolutely love it. If you want to add some volume to your hair, definitely check out Mercy Hair Extensions for some clip-ins. But that is all I did to my hair before I went in and got a weave. Now, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried Sacred, how you like it, what you think about it. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any tips and tricks on how to keep, maintain, and grow my hair other than weaves. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.